friends! Make sure that before you start this tutorial, you have been to Mayan and heard the book, A Turtle's Life Cycle. Get help from a parent or sibling if you don't know how to log in and get to Mayan. You should go through it through Clever just like you do in school. And when you're finished listening to this book, then you're ready for this tutorial. Today, we are reading to figure out the main topic of the book. Do you know what the main topic is? Tell me. The main topic is who or what the text is all about. So when you're reading today, in your mind, you should be thinking, what is this text all about? So, how do we figure out the main topic? We have to look for words that repeat again and again, and ideas that repeat again and again. Just looking at this table of contents, I see the word turtles 3 times. So I think the main topic is going to be something about turtles because I see that word repeating. As you read and heard the rest of the text, you should be thinking about, what words did I hear repeat again and again? That will lead you to the main topic. So after you read the whole book on Mayan, think about what the entire book was about. You will be writing a sentence to tell what the entire book was about. After you've read the whole book, think about what the entire book was about. You will write a sentence about it. Now you will need a notebook and a pencil. In your journal, write a sentence about the main topic of a turtle's life. Your sentence might start like, the main topic of a turtle's life is, so the next part of your journal entry will be this. Explain how you know you have the right topic. Your sentence might sound like, I know I have the right topic because, how do you know you have the right topic? Finish the sentence. Time to talk. Who can you talk to? Mother, brother, sister, uncle, dad. Tell them what you learned about reading today. We learned about the main topic and that the main topic is what the text is all about. We also learned we find the main topic by looking for words that repeat. Tell somebody what you learned about turtles from this book. Do you have questions about turtles that weren't answered in this text? That's great. Write down your questions in your journal, and then you can go to Mayan and search turtles and see if you can find the answers to your questions. So another thing good readers do is they look at the images in the text. Go back through the text and look at all the images. How do the images contribute to and clarify the text? On this page, the text says, young turtles. Hungry young turtles eat during the day. They like worms and slugs. Turtles do not have teeth. They crunch snails and insects with their jaws. So the image next to it shows me that, one, a turtle can't just eat a whole worm in one bite because I can see part of the worm is hanging out. So it must have to crunch or eat parts of the worm until it gets the whole thing down. The text didn't tell me that, but the image shows me, oh, okay, so they can't just eat in all one bite. Also, I get clarification if I didn't know what a turtle with a turtle that has no teeth looks like, which turtles don't have teeth, then I can look at the image and see, oh yeah, there are no teeth in there, right? So look back at the images and see what else you can learn from them and how do they contribute to and clarify the text for you. Sometimes when we're reading, we come to words that we don't know the meaning of. It's our job as a reader to figure out what the word means. The author sometimes leaves clues about what the word means. We call those context clues. And sometimes they provide a glossary found in the back of the book with the word that we don't know. As I was reading page 16 of A Turtle's Life, I found a word that I didn't know the meaning of. In cold weather, turtles cannot find food. They stop eating and their hearts slow down. Many turtles hibernate underground for the winter. So I Stopped on the word hibernate because I was like, what does that mean? The author didn't leave me any clues. I look at the image, I see that the turtle's inside the shell, but I don't really know what he's doing. So I go to the glossary in the back of my book and I find the word hibernate. And hibernate, next to the word hibernate in the glossary, it says to spend winter in a deep sleep. Animals hibernate to survive low temperatures and lack of food. Wow, okay, so the turtle is probably about to get ready to go to sleep and sleep for quite some time because there's no food that it can find, the text says. So hibernate means to sleep for a long time. I also thought about the word underground for the winter, and I didn't know what underground meant. So I can kind of think about that word by breaking it apart. I know where the ground is, it's on the floor. Underground must be underneath what's on the floor. So that is what good readers do. They figure out what words they may not know, and they use a glossary, or they figure out what context clues can help them figure it out. Look back in the text and see if there's other words you don't know the meaning of. Can you figure out what they mean by using the glossary or context clues? Adult turtles. Adult box turtles can grow to be 4 to 6 inches long. Many box turtles live to be 50 years old. Wow. Maybe you can get a ruler at your home and see how long 4 to 6 inches is so you can know how long an adult turtle gets. Can you find other things that are 4 to 6 inches long in your house? Have fun looking. Good readers think about what surprised them in the text. I know one surprising fact that I learned about turtles was that the female turtles dig for many hours to make the nest for their babies. I think that would be super tiring. What other surprising facts did you learn while reading this text?